the first term of a plus b to the fourth, the coefficient, you just take that number right there and do 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, and 4, 4. Okay, that's how I find my coefficients. I know I'm going to use a row of Pascal's triangle, and it's going to give me those coefficients. I'm using this one, so 5 minutes from now, I can do this one right here. I can do a plus b to the 8th, and I can ask you to find the third term. Okay, so we're, instead of finding out what's the first term, a to the 8th. What's the 9th term? B to the 8th. Remember, it'll always be one more term than the number of. So all of that, let's go back here and let's make sure we got the concept down here. 4 is going to give me 1. It's going to give me 4. It's going to give me 6. It's going to give me 4. It's going to give me 1. My coefficients I find from subtracting these two right here. So that's a to the 4th, b to the 0. It's a to the, a little bit louder, third. 4 minus 1 is 3, b to the first. Whatever number that is right there. Whatever number is right here, you take and put there. Whatever this is, whatever 4 minus 1, whatever the subtraction of those two goes right there. So the next one would be a squared b squared. So the next one would be a to the first, b to the third, but we already knew all this. Where did my a term go? 4 minus 4 is a to the 0. What's a to the 0? 1. So now, all I have to do, if I wanted to calculate all of these, if I wanted to calculate x plus 2 to the 4th, I know it starts out x to the 4th. I know it ends up 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So to find these terms here in the middle, I do 4x cubed times 2 to the first. Anybody?
It'll be 64x.
No, just 8x cubed. Remember, this is only, the cube only goes with the x, the parentheses. So here I go, 6x squared times 2 squared.
It'll be 12x.
This first, 4, 24x squared. 4 times x times 2 cubed. 2 cubed.
8
times 4. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So, final answer is x to the 4th plus 8x cubed plus 24x squared plus 32x plus 16. We got that? We got the yuckies with that, or we like it? So now, what becomes of all that is this. If I want to find the third term of a plus b to the 8th, if I want to find the third term, remember, it's always one less than the number of terms because I'll have a to the 0. I'll start out 8 to the 0. The first term is 8 to 0. The second term is 8, 1. The third term is 8, 2. 1, 2, 3. So when it says third term, I come over here and I go 8, 2. Anybody? A to the 6th, B to the 2nd. So the formula looks like this. N over R, A to the N minus R, and then B to the R. Understanding that R is always minus 1 for my term. So if I say, a lot of times you'll see them say K, the kth term, and so R is equal to K minus 1. So 3, the third term is 3 is K, so 3 minus 1, R is 2 now. So now it's just a matter of calculating this. Calculate that. 8 factorial. 6 factorial. 2 factorial. Which is 8 times 7. Where did 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 go? 2 factorial. 56 over 2 is 28. A to the 6th, B to the 2nd.